Now I'm on page 11, which is a continuation of the tables. We are going to be flip-flopping back and forth. So lots of practice with that. We're on letter C now. And it says, at what distance in the race would it be better to be on team B than A? So we're looking for a distance where it's better to be on B than it is to be on A. Excuse me. Which distance is it better to be on B than A? So flipping back over. Comparing the two tables. When is it better? So if you're thinking about it's a race, it's going to be better when you're ahead, right? So I'm comparing here. It looks like B is ahead here. They're still ahead. They're still ahead. And at this point right here, they're tied. 4 hours into the race, they're at the 10-mile mark together. So really, any time in the race before the 10-mile mark is when they are, it's better to be B. So it's better to be on team B in the first 10 miles of the race. Or maybe I should have said before the 10-mile mark. Because, whoops, I didn't say explain. Because they're further along. They're ahead of Team A. I'm going to continue on because I'm only at about 2 minutes in this video, so I got a couple more minutes before I need to move to a different one. If the members on each team walked for 10 hours, how far would each member walk on each team? So they walked for 10 hours. So looking back over here, gosh, 10 hours isn't in either table. But if I'm looking at Team A, I know that whatever their hours are, we just multiply by 2.5. And that gives us how far they went. So I'm going to just flip it real quick. And Team A, we would just do 2.5 times 10. And that is 25. I know just by moving that decimal point over once. Team A's members walk 25 miles in 10 hours. And then Team B, let's see here what they do. Now they don't go 10 hours either in this table. So I'm thinking if I were to keep that table going, I don't have any room underneath here to do it, so I kind of come over here to the side. I know that every hour goes up another 2 miles, so like 7 would be 16, and 8 would be 18, and 9 would be 20, and 10 hours would be 22 miles. Right there tells me what I need to know. All again that I did was keep the hours going, and every hour added on 2 more miles, and for 10 hours, 22 miles. Team B's go 22 miles, and I'll just put C table because that's where we got our information.